I knew I wanted to do more, not to stand on the sidelines asking for donations, whilst the natural world disappears forever, but to bring people face to face with what's at stake, to see, to feel, to understand what we are losing, to look into the eyes of these animals, and in that moment of connection, find the power to help save them. That's how Wilde Tracks was born, from a desperate hope that these incredible creatures can exist far beyond our lifetime, that our children and their children will inherit a world where wild still means something. Through our Travel with a Purpose model, we don't just take people to watch conservation happen, we take them to the very heart of it, as part of the solution. And every single trip, it directly funds the vital work on the ground. Our mission is simple yet revolutionary. Harness tourism as a direct, sustainable lifeline for conservation and humanitarian projects with a lasting impact. Behind Wilde Tracks is a team of 5 women, 5 dreamers who refuse to accept extinction. We are pioneering a knowledge hub for ethical travel that sends tourism-generated dollars straight to where it matters most, the field. And we keep those funds flowing, trip after trip, year after year. We make these experiences accessible, open to the general public, all ages, all abilities, as well as schools, universities, and corporates. Anyone with a fire in their heart for the natural world. Conservation isn't just about experts, it's about everyone. Our accountants, researchers, storytellers. Conservation should never be a privilege for the few. We fund everything needed for a field intervention. The helicopter racing against time, the vet working into the night. What you see is what you get. Communities, wildlife vets, anti-poaching units, canine teams, field guides and jungle rangers, all working together to protect life. In just the past year and a half, we've touched nearly 100 animal lives. We've reached over 100 children, empowering protectors, not destroyers. And we exist because the clock is ticking. Fewer than 27,000 rhinos remain. African lions down 43% in 2 decades. Only 7,000 cheetahs still roam free, and just over 5,000 wild tigers left on Earth. In South Africa, rhinos face a pressing crisis. Dehorning makes them less of a target, and in just 14 months, we funded over 25 rhinos, and this is just the start. Our journey began in South Africa, through the deserts of Namibia, across the plains of Tanzania, next Uganda, globally Ecuador, the Galapagos, India, and wherever an animal or community needs us. This is just the beginning. Wilde Tracks is not just an organisation, it's a movement. We may be a small part of the solution, but the more people who join us, the more animals we can protect, the more communities we can empower, and the more awareness we can spread, the bigger our impact becomes. This is about leaving a legacy for the animals whose eyes hold ancient wisdom, for the planet that has given us everything, and for the generations to come to inherit wonder, not silence. The wild is calling. Will you answer?